In this video, we are going to discuss the problem volume under triple integration. First problem. Find the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1 and the coordinates planes. Okay. In this problem, first thing you should remember the formula. Volume is equal to triple integral dx dy dz, or we can write in the order of dz dy dx or dy dx dz. Okay. Now first we are going to draw the diagram for this tetrahedron. Okay, this is the tetrahedron diagram. Now we are going to project in the 2D. Okay, we will get in this form, this triangle form. This is origin. Here z is equal to 0. If z is equal to 0 means we can write x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 intercept form. Okay. Okay, now we are going to find the limits. In 2D already you know very well how to find the limits. Using the strip we can easily find the limits. Draw the strip perpendicular to x axis, which means x limits are constants. Before that we have to find the intersect point here, which is 0 comma a, here a comma 0, here a comma 0, here 0 comma b. Okay, here a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Strip one end a, other end b. First we are going to calculate the x limits. Okay, x limits, that is our outer limit, constant limit. The strip starting point here from this origin to till this a comma 0 moves along in the x axis, which is x is equal to 0. In this end x is equal to 0. Okay, other end x is equal to a. Then calculate, therefore y varies from x varies from 0 to a, and then calculate y limits. Y limit, just both end we have to take at a. What is y? This is x axis, here y is equal to 0. Okay, y is equal to 0. At b, in the other end, what is b? From this equation we have to write y value. At b, b lies on the x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 line. From this we are going to write the y value. Y by b equal to, we can write 1 minus x by a, therefore y is equal to b into 1 minus x by a. Okay, y is equal to b into 1 minus x by a, just b. And then we need z limits. From this diagram we can write easily z limit. We know that the equation of the tetrahedron x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 0. Here one end origin, okay, one end is origin, z is equal to 0, and other end, from this equation we can write z by c is equal to, here 1 not 0, 1 minus of x by a minus y by b, therefore z is equal to c into 1 minus x by a plus y by b. Okay, now we can write z is equal to 0 to z is equal to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Okay, in this way only we have to write the limits. First write the formula, triple integral dx dy dz, and then now we are going to write the limits one by one. First limit is 0 to a, x limit 0 to a, y limit 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, and then z limit 0 to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Okay, first we written here z limit, which means first integration with respect to z. Next these are the y limits dy, then finally integrate with respect to x dx. Now we are going to integrate one by one. First integrate with respect to z. Integral 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, integral dz will be z, 0 to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b into dy dx. Okay, now apply upper limit value c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b in z, then lower limit value is 0, dy dx. Okay, here c constant take outside, and then integrate with respect to y with the limit 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. Here 1 is there, which is y. Y minus x by a fully constant here. Okay, because we are going to integrate with respect to y only, we can write in the form of 1 minus x by a into y minus y will be y square by 2, already we are having here b, which is b, with the limit 0 to b into 1 minus x by a into dx. Okay, now apply our upper limit value b into 1 minus x by a in y, 0 to a 1 minus x by a into b into 1 minus x by a, b into 1 minus x by a minus b, y square is there, which means b square into 1 minus x by a whole square by 2b. Then apply lower limit value 0 here, which is 0, second term also 0. All the lower limit values are 0 into dx. Okay, before we integrate with respect to x, first we are going to simplify this equation. 0 to a, here there are two 1 minus x by a terms are there. This can be written as 1 minus x by a whole square. Okay, here we can remove 1b, here 1b is there, here 1b is there, we can take outside common, anyway constant we can write outside. Here 1 will come in this place, no, this written only these two terms are 1 minus x by a whole square only, minus here 1 minus x by a whole square by 2. Okay, now simplify this equation, which is in the form of 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus x by a whole square one time minus half 1 minus x by a whole square, 1 minus half will be half, cb into integral 0 to a 1 by 2 into 1 minus x by a whole square, okay, into dx. Now here this 2 is constant, this 2 is constant, take outside, which is cb by 2 integral 0 to a 1 minus x by a whole square into dx. Now integrate with respect to x. cb by 2 integration of 1 minus x by a whole squared is 1 minus x by a whole cube by the coefficient of x is minus 1 by a. Here 3 also will come, which is minus 3 by a. Okay. In case if you have any doubt to write this direct integration, you apply here a minus b whole squared formula and then integrate. Okay, with the limit 0 to a. Now we can write cb by 2 into the denominator value goes to numerator, it will be a by minus 3, and then apply upper limit value a in x, which is 1 minus 1 first term, and then minus apply lower limit value. Okay, whole cube, lower limit value 0, 1 minus 0 whole cube. Okay, don't forget to apply lower limit value 0. Now we are getting ABC by minus 6 into first term becomes 0. Here minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Okay, minus into minus plus, we are getting ABC by 6. Okay, this is the final answer. In the same problem, here if we apply a minus b whole squared formula, see, look at this, cb by 2 is there. First you expand this one, just like a minus b whole squared formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, okay, into dx. Now integrate with respect to x. See, look at this, 1 is there, which is x plus x cube by 3a square minus 2x square by 2a, okay, with the limit 0 to a. Okay, normal integration only we are doing here. 1 is x here, plus x square by a square is x cube by 3a square, okay, minus here 2 by a constant, right here the integration for this x is x square by 2. We can remove this 2 here. Now substitute the upper limit value a in x here, a plus a cube by 3a square minus a square by a. Okay, then apply lower limit value 0 here, first term 0, second term 0, third term, all the 3 terms values are 0. Now we can write cb by 2, here we can remove one a square, okay, 2 terms, only a is there, which is here one we can remove one a plus a by 3 minus a, okay, a and a opposite sign cancel, we are getting here cb by 2 into a by 3. Therefore the final answer is ABC by 6. Okay, in this way also we can solve the problem. Here we can integrate directly this to this term. Okay, we integrated directly 1 minus x by a whole cube divided by 3 will come, but the coefficient of x is minus 1 by a, that's why written here like this, and then apply upper limit value a here in x. Then don't forget to apply lower limit here, because see, look at this, 1 minus 0 is coming, which means we are getting here minus 1 we are getting, first term only here 0. Okay, we are from this to this term we are getting minus 1, and then minus into minus plus, we are getting here ABC by 6. Okay, in case if you have any doubt to integrate from this term to this term, use here a minus b whole squared formula. First you expand this one like this, okay, and then integrate with respect to x 1 by 1. Normal integration only we are doing here, we will get the correct answer. Okay, that's all.